Mrs. Ashiba, Assistant Professor of Home Science. In this video, I am going to teach you what are detergents and what ingredients they contain, why they are preferred more than soap, and how it is manufactured. Laundry detergents are actually a combination of synthetic substances which are more similar to soap with the functions having major improvements. A detergent is a synthetic cleaning agent used to remove dirt, dust and grease from fabrics. Let's see the difference between soap and detergents. Soap are natural cleaning agent as it is made from fats and oils. Detergents are called as chemically or synthetic cleaning agent as it is made from petroleum chemicals. Soap, when we are used for washing in hot water, it creates a scum. Scum is nothing but the substances, bicarbonates of sodium present in hot water react with the raw materials in soap and form a white thin layer, which will decrease the quality of washing materials. In detergent, there won't be any scum formation. It is because of the raw ingredients builder we added to it, which converts the hot water into soft water. Soap is less effective in hot water as well as cold water. Detergents works well in both hard and soft water, also in cold water. These are all due to the raw ingredients present in this. Let's see that in detail. In this slide, I will explain how detergents work. Each soap molecules contain hydrocarbon and carboxylic groups. Carboxylic group are hydrophilic in nature. Hydrocarbon are hydrophobic in nature. Hydrophilic are having a nature of attraction towards water, where hydrophobic are attracted towards oil and grease. Just imagine if our shirts get greased or dirt, means what we will do? We will just soak in water in the addition of detergents. In the detergent molecule, the hydrophilic gets the hydrophobic structure, this tail-like structure, get attracted towards the oil and grease in the shirt, whereas the pinhead hydrophobic nature attract towards the water. Thereby, the grease or dirt substances will be emerged from the fabric, and while we rinse our cloth, it is removed. This is the cleaning process done by detergent. Detergents are not made from single chemicals. It is a mixture of chemicals, each having specific functions. Let's see one by one in nature. The first one is surfactants. It is also known as heart of the detergent. You know why? It is the main cleansing agent. It helps to remove the dirt from the fabric. As I mentioned in the previous slide, that hydrophobic and hydrophilic actions. LABS and SLS are the chemicals added to the detergent to perform the function of surfactants. The next one is builders. Builders are chemicals added to water to improve the efficiency of cleaning. Improve the efficiency means what will do? The chemicals like sodium tripolyphosphate and sodium carbonate converts the hardness generating chemicals in hard water to soft water. If the water gets softened, means the efficiency of washing will be improved. This is the role of builders in detergent. The next one is optical brightness. Optical brightness, its main purpose is to make the fabric brighter. So, the fluorescent brightness are added to it. How it functions is, it absorbs the UV light and emit the blue radiations. Thereby, the fabrics get much brighter. The next raw material is bleaching agent. It is also a chemical, helps to remove the stains and make the fabric more whitener. Example, sodium perborate or example for bleaching agent. The next one is enzymes. Enzymes helps to break down the stains produced by protein, starch and fat. So, in the detergent we are adding these three enzymes to overcome the stain generated by them. Protease helps to remove the protein stains. Amylase helps to remove the stains generated by starch like rice, potato, etc. Lipase, the fat substances, fat items, food items containing if it is spoiled due to the fat. The next one is perfumes. Its main purpose is to enrich the fragrance. It reduce the odorness and improve the fragrance in the fabric. Colors. It's also a chemicals, helps to improve the appearance of the fragrance, appearance of the fabrics after washing. The next one is anti-redeposition agent. The name itself explains. Deposition means settling down. Redeposition, settling again. Anti-redeposition, it's prevent settling of the dirt again into the fabric. So, this chemical helps to prevent the dirt from sticking back into the fabric. The chemical used is carboxymethyl cellulose. The last chemical added is fillers. It doesn't do any other function. The only purpose of adding fillers to detergent is to increase the bulkness and improve the flow. The filler added in detergent is sodium sulfate. This sentences is just I have mentioned here to remember the raw materials in correct order. Some boys often bring excellent perfume, colorful, attractive flowers, surfactants, builders, optical brightness, bleaching agent, excellent perfume, colorful, attractive flowers. Next we are going to see the advantages of detergent. From the functionings of the raw materials, we can conclude the advantages of detergent. It works in hard water. It dissolves easily in both hard and soft water, and it easily removes the grease. No scum formation will be found. It gives brighter clothes. It removes stubborn stains from the fabric, and it is suitable for washing clothes in both top load and front load machines. Next we are going to see the manufacturing process. Usually 3 methods of detergent manufacturing will be done. For laundry detergent, 2 methods are commonly followed. One is blender. It is followed mainly by the small companies if the output is nearly this much amount. The next one is agglomeration process. It is suggested when the production level is in more than 6,800 to 22,700 kilogram. Only large manufacturers follow this procedure. Let's see the steps. The first one is blender process. What will happen is all the dry ingredients we have mentioned before in the tabular column, it will be put in a blender. The blender is then mixed well. Once the raw ingredients are mixed well, the door at the bottom will be opened and the detergents will be flow in the conveyor belt. Once it gets cooled, it is packed in the detergent box. The next method is agglomeration. In this also, all the dry ingredients are put in a agglomerator. After that, liquid ingredients are added by spraying and form a paste-like substances. After that, hot air is passed to the paste to make the ingredients dry. When it is get dried, it may form like some hard-like substances. So, using pulverizer, it is crushed into powder. After passing to the conveyor belt to check whether all the hard substances are crushed, it is allowed to pack. The next method is slurry method. In this, all the raw materials are mixed well by using liquid. It gets substances like slurry. Once the slurry condition is reached, it is then passed on to a spray drying. A hot air is passed through the slurry materials. So the water present in it get dried and the remaining detergents will be collected. It is cooled, and after that the enzymes we have seen, it helps to remove the protein, fat and starch substances stains. So that enzymes are added. Later on, perfumes to enhance the fragrance will be added. Altogether, everything will be sieved and packed for manufacturing. Apart from detergents, powder detergents, liquid detergent is currently available. The reason for liquid detergent is it is easily dissolved in any kind of fabric. It also contains surfactants, water and other cleaning ingredients. And it is also best suitable for washing machines of two types, front and top load system. When compared to detergent powder, it will be easily soluble and doesn't create any scam, and the quality output of the product is also improved. Easily washed heavy stain materials also can be washed easily in using liquid detergent. Through this video, you have learnt what is detergent and how it is manufactured. Detergents are helpful to wash the cleaning process in both hard and soft water. Its main advantage is it doesn't create any or form any scum. It is manufactured both blending or agglomeration process. Hence, in nowadays household and industrial purposes, detergents are highly preferred when compared to soap. Thank you.